Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, let's get ready for the most adorable and funniest elephants.
The circle of life, and with the rise in drought cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
So the guys have got a bit of a problem here.
The elephant toll collectors are very effective. They don't take cash.
Taking advantage.
I can hear the baby elephant saying, "Wait, I've got little legs." He failed at being a lapdog, so he went with shoe thief instead.
เอารองเท้าขึ้น
I'm sorry.
Sorry, babe.
This incredible act shows elephants' high intelligence. They have compassion for other species.
Clever. Look, he grabs it. Yeah, he puts the whole thing in his mouth. Super smart.
The ultimate game of hit and run, Elephant Edition. You know, baby elephants don't know how to trunk right away. They learn over time. Knocking over trees is how elephants reach food and clear paths.
Wow.
Future leader.
She's just trying to tell her mom, I think.
That moment, the elephant says, "I'm big, I'm scary, right?"
Come on, baby.
You're so tough.
He's so tough, and you're.
Girl, the elephant's face scan is almost complete. Hold on. His footwork is incredible, especially when he has 4 feet and a trunk to deal with.
Hang on.
Oops, when playtime turns into bath time by accident. A little too much red for his taste, maybe?
Happy to see Mom.
Me trying to get into my cozy spot in bed after a long day. Guys, meet the original hair flip influencer. This one's finally getting some me time. No one bothers him. Elephants are highly social and normally led by the oldest female.
He's gonna break that branch off.
Why?
Probably to get to the leaves at the top.
If any water parks need a mascot, he's the one. Elephants sometimes signal, keep your distance, so respect their space.
You go back a bit. Like that.
人气是啥？哎呀，咋回事？咋回事？咋回事？
This is how the mother elephant reminds her child to get that SPF 500 on.
Oh my god. I think he took it.
I don't get.
I have a noodle for a nose, and I'm not afraid to use it. The universal sign for I heard the snacks are ready. Big laughs, big love, and even bigger elephants. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.